A Ford Sync Master Reset or Full System Reboot is a deep reboot that restores your infotainment system to its factory settings. It clears the system's cache, reinstalls core software, and resets configurations. Perform this reset to troubleshoot persistent bugs like unresponsive screens, audio issues, or failed app integrations. It's also crucial before reselling your vehicle to wipe personal data like paired devices and saved locations. Note that sync systems vary by vehicle model and year, so always verify compatibility with your specific model. As of 2025, with the rise of OTA updates for Ford Sync systems, the need to perform manual master resets has declined by approximately 25%. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is in park with the engine off or in accessory mode. Backup important data like contacts and saved destinations. To initiate the reset, press and hold the Seek Up and Seek Down buttons on your steering wheel or radio for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen prompts a reset. Confirm by selecting Master Reset or Factory Reset on the touchscreen. The system will reboot, displaying a progress bar. This process can take 20-60 minutes. After the reboot, repair your devices, update the software via Wi-Fi, and restore your settings. Remember, interrupting the reset could potentially cause issues with your sync system, so avoid power loss during the process.